What's the meaning of aviation? Aviation. Aviation.
Aviation. Aviation. Aviation refers to the operation of aircraft, including the design, development, production, and use of aircraft. The aviation industry plays a vital role in transportation and facilitates economic growth in various sectors. It has also had a significant impact on military operations and national security. The aviation industry has undergone significant advancements in technology, efficiency, and safety over the years. This has led to increased accessibility and convenience, but also raised concerns about environmental impacts. Overall, aviation has transformed the way people and goods travel across the world.